access your Canvas, first you need to have access to your email, your student email. So this tutorial is going to show you how to access or set up your RTC student email. So first, what you have to do is to access RTC page that explains you about how to access your email account, or how to find out what your email account is. So you come here, so let's open a new tab just so you see, and you're gonna type rtc.edu/student and dash email and click enter. So this page brings you information on how to access your student email. So because of CTC link, please note that generating your email addresses may take a little bit longer. Maybe you don't have one, and if you don't have one, please contact the service desk here. Okay, so scroll down the page, and your RTC account, your student email login credentials. If you are accessing for the first time, your username is your student email, and your default password is your CTC link ID. In order to do that, you need to have your CTC link account activated. If you don't have an activated account, please check the link, because there is a video down here below. That is a link to the video on how to activate your account. If you don't know your email, so you scroll down here and you have this lookup tool. So this lookup tool is going to let you know what your email address is and what your CTC link ID is if you have an activated account. Okay, so click here, and then it's going to take you to this lookup tool. So you're gonna type your first name, and then type your last name, and then you type your date of birth. Okay, so your date of birth, pay attention because it's year, month, and day. So year, month, and day. Okay, maybe if you are your computer is in your language, this might be different, so pay attention to that. Okay, and click search. Once you have that information, go back to this page, to the student email, RTC edu student email, scroll all the way down and click login, email login. So you click here, and by now you know your RTC email address and you know your CTC link ID. So then you click here, and it's going to take you to this page. So what you come here, so then you type your name, and then at student.rtc.edu, and then you come here and you type your password, and then you click sign in. In case you forgot your password, or you don't remember, or if it's not working, to change your password, if you are a student already and you have already accessed your email account before but forgot your password, so you click here on this link and you're going to reset your password. Another way to recover your password is coming back here to this student email page, and then you scroll down and you have the option to do it yourself, which is the self-service steps, and then here you have the self-service password reset. So you come down here, open your browser at www.office.com, and then you're gonna be taken to this page, and click here sign in. When you click on sign in, click on can't access my account then, and then click next. Okay, so you come here and say I can't access my account, and then click next. There you go. And next. You come here and select work or school account, and then after that you're gonna enter your student email username again. So it's basically the initial of your first name, and then the last name, and then your student email, and then you click next. So that's what you're gonna do here. So who are you? So type here your email, and then type the letters here that you have the code here just to prove that you are a person and not a robot. At the following prompt, click on I forgot my password, and then next. So the first option is here, I forgot my password, and then click next. So to get back into your account, enter your authentication email or phone number when prompt, because when you set up your account, you provide this kind of information so they can verify that's you. Okay, if you don't have that, if you don't know that, you have to set up the account. Okay, so then you get back here, and you're gonna provide what you want. Do you want your phone number, you want a text message, or do you want a call? Okay, so you're gonna receive a code. Okay, so you will be sent a verification code. You're gonna enter the code, and then you're gonna get prompt to enter a new password. So you're gonna type your new password and then confirm. You're gonna type it twice. Okay, so enter the new password. Make sure to make notes, to take notes while you're doing that, and then you retype here. You cannot copy and paste in this case, and then you click finish. You must choose a strong password. The password has to have 8 characters minimum and maximum of 16 characters, and the password must contain a combination of uppercase, okay, so capital letters, and lowercase letters, okay, so small letters, and at least one number and one symbol. Okay, you will receive a confirmation that your password has been reset. Okay, so then you go back into your account, and that this is the notification you are going to receive. And then to sign in your account, you click here, and then it will work. In case your authentication and email or phone number were not set up yet, you're gonna have to contact the help desk, the service desk, to help you. So you come here, you click here, service desk, or you call, but you come here, and then they are going to set up that information for you. When you contact the service desk, you have to provide them your full name, your CTC link ID, and your date of birth. Okay, so year, month, and day. So they will open a ticket in case they are not available, and they will contact you. Okay, you can also go to campus in building C, LRCC, they can help you, or you can also go to the Student Success Center, or you can access the Zoom lobby, and there will be somebody there to help you. In case you are accessing this account for the first time, you need to set up your security options. You can do this by yourself, or you can email the service desk and they can help you. So down here on this page, so again, the email page, you scroll down and then you click here, security options set up. Or if you need to recover your password, you click here, email password recovery. Okay, so you come here, and then they are gonna show you how to set up your verification set up your security verification. Okay. And to do that, you go to the Office page, which is www.office.com, and here you have the information on how to set up. The link is also in the description in this video. So you come here, click sign in. So in this case, you already know your email and you know your password. You just need to set up some security to recover your password in case you lose it. Okay, so then you type here your email address and then click next. And then click your password. And then click here. You're going to receive this information. Once you have successfully logged onto your RTC student email, click next at this screen, and then you're going to receive this information, more information required. So then you click next. Confirm your password. So type your password, re-enter your password. And after that, after confirming your password, you're gonna be prompted to don't lose access to your account. Choose at least one method to verify your identity by clicking the setup now. So you come here and then you click setup here. So you're gonna enter your phone number, your personal phone number, and you're gonna enter a personal email address. Once you do it, you click finish and you will be sent a verification code. Enter that code to authenticate and then click finished. So congratulations. If you have any problems, if you need help, if it didn't work, so you contact the service desk. Once you have this email set up, you are ready to log in into your Canvas account. Thank you for watching.